Now that we know the difference between independent and dependent events, we're going to start finding probabilities. And the first one that we're going to deal with is finding the probability of two independent events. So you need to find the probability of event A and the probability of event B, and just multiply them together to get your probability. Anytime you see the word and always means multiply in terms of probabilities. So we're find the probability of both simple events and multiply them together. So doing a couple, Marisol and her friends are going to a concert. They put the slips of paper shown into a bag. If a person draws a yellow slip, he or she will ride in the van to the concert. A blue slip means he or she rides in the car. Suppose Marisol draws a slip. Not liking the outcome, she puts it back and draws a second time. What is the probability that on each draw, her slip is blue? Okay, so looking at our scenario, we are drawing from the bag twice, but we're putting the first slip back before we draw the second time. So for my first event, I see 3 blue slips of paper up here out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slips of paper. And let's assume that I took out a blue one, but I put a blue one back, and I drew again. I would also have a 3 out of 8 chance of drawing a blue slip again. Multiply them together, you would get 9 over 64 as your probability. Do a couple more. Let's go to letter A. Down here, a coin is tossed and a die is rolled. What is the probability that the coin lands heads up and the number rolled is a 6? So for a coin, there's only 1 heads out of 2 options times, and I want a number rolled as 6. There's only 1 6 on the dice out of total of 6. Multiply them together. 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 6 is 12. And then finally, 2B, do that one as well. Suppose you toss a coin 4 times, which is the probability of getting 4 tails. I flip the coin once. I have a 1/2 chance possibility of getting tails the first time. Same for the second, same for the third, and same for the fourth. Multiply them all together, you would get 1/16 as your probability.